Hi everyone, my name is Carson MUA here on this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, thank you for checking me out. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate all y'all coming to see my videos and just checking me out. So today's video, we are going to be doing a sensitive facial on one of my classmates from school, and I will be going step by step, basically telling you the process of what I'm doing. It's an overhead view from behind me, but so you guys can see what I'm doing and also my friend and see what's happening on her in general. So if you're interested in seeing what a sensitive facial entails, keep watching this video and we are going to get to it. Hello everyone, this is VoiceOver Carson here. We are getting started into this normal to sensitive facial that we learned in school. We were fixing her head wrap to make sure her hair wasn't going to get anything in it, and then I performed an occipital hold, which gets you relaxed and gets you right into the facial, keeps you calm and everything. And what I'm currently doing right now was getting the comp oil that we use. It's like a micellar water type thing that basically it just cleans off any dirt, debris, any makeup that you might have. And then I am taking some just water and massaging that in. And so for the facial that we're doing right now is a 90-minute facial, and so that includes décolleté, neck and face. If it was a 60, it would just be neck and face, or if it was a 30, it'd just be face. So right now I'm doing the cleanser. I'm just taking a basic cleanser that we have and going in massaging that, and then I'm going in taking that out because she is all cleansed and pre-cleansed and ready to go. And then I am taking toner on a couple wedges and putting that on. And so right now we are covering her eyes because we are about to do what is called skin analysis, which the reason why we cover eyes, if you see how bright that light is, it is extremely bright, especially when you're sitting there and you're getting it pointed right at your face. So even like me, I have to use like multiple of those little things over my eyes whenever people are doing skin analysis on me. I've had to use a lot because it is that bright. So I was checking out her face and everything, see what we need to possibly work on. And right now I'm applying a mask. It was the instant hydrating mask. And then what we're doing is putting another eye covering and a sheet mask over the face, because for this specific facial, that's what it involves. And then once we are doing that, we are also putting a hot towel on the décolleté, because since we are having cooling on the face, because since it is a sensitive facial, but we want to keep you warm, so we're gonna put a hot towel on your chest. And what I did was use the jade rollers to massage the mask more in, and then I was putting hand cream on so I can do a shoulder and neck massage. And so then the towel started getting cooled off, obviously, so then we took that off and we kept going in while the mask is setting with a neck and shoulder massage. So basically that involves just a little bit relaxing time for you, especially while you are getting your facial done. And so we're going to take it off and take any of the leftover residue from the mask that I may have seen. But we don't really have to be as thorough as we would if it was just one mask, because we are going to go in with another mask. And so yeah, So now I'm going back in with the toner wedges and putting toner on her face. Depending on your face, we might have to exfoliate. So if you had to exfoliate, we did not have to exfoliate on her. So we just skipped that part. And so we went right in with the skin balancing. And then I'm going in with massaging and doing the skin balancing right now, and just making sure she is all moisturized and everything like that. If you see me talking to anybody, I'm talking to our friends in class who were sitting next to me while we were doing the facial. As I'm putting the mask on, and we're doing the same step as we did before with the hydrating mask. We're putting the face covering and the sheet mask, and then we're also including the warm towel, and we're doing the jade rollers as well, again, to make sure that the mask is in the skin and processing to calm down any irritations or hyperpigmentations or whatever it may be. Especially for me, I really love this facial because I have dry to sensitive skin, so especially my sensitive parts, I really liked the cooling aspect of this. A lot of people did not like it. I think I talk about this towards the end, but a lot of people didn't like it just because it was so cold. But I really liked it because it calmed down my face a lot. And my friend also said when she did it on me that my face and my redness calmed down a lot. I get red really easily on my cheeks. And so right now, basically what we're doing is just a little hand and arm massage while we are letting that mask set. That's part of the massage and facial process that we do to help you relax and help you chill out and everything like that. So what we're doing right now, we're taking off any residue of whatever may be left with both masks and making sure her face is all clean, because obviously we don't want you walking out with a big old splotch of mask on your face. And then what we're doing is going in with eye cream, moisturizer, sunscreen, and if we have it, would be lip protection, which is basically like lip balm. And that's basically the end of the facial. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys found it informative, especially if you're like me with sensitive skin. I personally love the sensitive facial when we did it in school, because even right now you can tell my cheeks get a little red, and I'm probably gonna have rosacea when I get older because my mom actually has rosacea, so I probably have it. This might even be undiagnosed rosacea for all I know. I just know that my cheeks get really warm, and just my face in general always gets really warm, even when I'm not doing a lot of things. And this facial cooled my face down so much, and it was nice, it was relaxing. A lot of people didn't like it. I remember in school,
I might mention this during the video, but yeah, I remember a lot of people didn't like it because it was so cold, but I was like, ooh, this is so nice, this is so relaxing. And then my friend who I did the facial on for this video, she did the facial on me afterwards, and she said that it cooled down my face a lot and it reduced my redness a lot. Because anytime we ever did any like cleansings, my face would get so red, and I probably have mentioned it in the video. But yeah, so if you found it informative, if you found it interesting, thank you for watching. Leave down in the comments any suggestions you want to see for videos from me. I'm a full specialist esthetician, so if you're curious about anything in the SD beauty world in general, I do nails, makeup, facials. What else do I do? I do a bunch of stuff. Waxing. You'll probably see that. You probably can go check out my little playlist I have of esthetician education, and there's going to be a whole bunch more videos to come. Go follow me on my socials at Aesthetics by Carson on TikTok and Instagram. Anything that you probably need to know or curious about, I might have it in the description, so go check that out as well. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post. I try to post every Wednesday, so be on the lookout for new videos if you do want to keep coming back to my channel. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, be safe, and I love you.